Okay, we are going to look at a couple more scenarios today. 食堂に行きます。昼ご飯を食べます。Putting these two sentences together, we can say 食堂に昼ご飯を食べに行きます。How about these two? 図書館に来ました。本を返しました。図書館に本を返しに来ました。This structure is used to talk about going somewhere in order to do something. So you go to the cafeteria to eat lunch, or you go to the library to return a book. We make this sentence using one of the three movement verbs we have studied so far. 行きます、来ます, or 帰ります. We start with the place that we're going plus に. The next step is to put the reason that we're going there. 昼ご飯を食べます。本を返します。When we want to put in the purpose, we want to use the verb stem. The stem of a verb is whatever you put before mas. So with 食べます, that's 食べ. With 返します, that's 返し. We put ni after it, and then our movement verb. So in summary, place ni, purpose using the verb stem, ni, 行きます, 来ます, or 帰ります. So let's try some examples. 海に行きます。泳ぎます。To put them together? 海に泳ぎに行きます。How about this one? スーパーに来ました。パンを買います。スーパーにパンを買いに来ました。We can also use this format to ask a question. このクラスに何をしに来ましたか? In other words, what did you come here to do? このクラスに日本語を勉強しに来ました。